Hello everyone, today we are going to learn English alphabets from A to Z. A. A for apple. A for ant. B. B for bat. B for ball. C. C for cat. C for cup. D. D for dog. D for doll. E. E for egg. E for elephant. F. F for fan. F for fish. G. G for goat. G for gate. H. H for hat. H for hen. I. I for eyes. I for iron. J. J for jug. J for jam. K. K for kite. K for king. L. L for lion. L for lemon. M. M for mango. M for monkey. N. N for nose. N for net. O. O for orange. O for ox. P. P for parrot. P for pig. Q. Q for queen. Q for quill. R. R for rat. R for rose. S. S for sun. S for star. T. T for tiger. T for tree. U. U for umbrella. U for uniform. V. V for van. V for vase. W. W for watch. W for woman. X. X for Xmas tree. X for xylophone. Y. Y for yak. Y for yo-yo. Z. Z for zoo. Z for zebra. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Have a good day everybody.